Hello everyone, welcome back to How Does Psychology Apply to ABA? In this video we'll be covering immediate versus delayed reinforcement. Let's start out by discussing what immediate reinforcement is versus what delayed reinforcement is. So for immediate reinforcement, we're going to reinforce directly after the target behavior has occurred. This type of reinforcement produces faster initial learning. With delayed reinforcement, we do not reinforce directly after the target behavior has occurred. We're going to withhold reinforcement and wait for a certain amount of time. This type of reinforcement produces slower initial learning and may not be as effective when teaching new skills. Now let's go through our first clinical scenario example. Let's say we're working on a program with a client in which we're shaping the behavior of greeting a peer. So, during this program, we're going to immediately reinforce the successive approximations of the behavior. This may look like reinforcing walking towards the peer, and then we move to walking towards the peer and making eye contact. This would be immediate reinforcement. Additionally, we're going to deliver a larger reinforcement for engaging in the end behavior, which is greeting the peer. So this might be walking towards the peer, making eye contact, and saying hello and their name. This is delayed reinforcement. Now let's walk through our second clinical scenario. Let's say we're using a token economy to promote a client participating in chores. The target behaviors of interest might be feeding the dog, taking out the trash, or other similar chores. We're going to reinforce the target behaviors by delivering the token. The token might be a sticker or a tally mark, or another item that has reinforcing value to the client. This would be immediate reinforcement. Additionally, we're going to reinforce whenever the client exchanges in the tokens. This would be a more luxury reinforcer, such as a trip to the playground or movies. This would be considered delayed reinforcement.